Understanding the Eagle Mountain-Saginaw ISD Tax Ratification Election. The Eagle Mountain-Saginaw ISD Board of Trustees has called a Tax Ratification Election, or TRE, for September 7, 2013. This video will explain what a TRE is and why the district has called the election. Eagle Mountain-Saginaw ISD has proposed changes to the tax rate for the 2013-2014 school year that will require voter approval. It is important to note that this means a restructuring of the tax rate, but not an increase in the tax rate. School districts are funded through a combination of sources: local taxpayer dollars, state funding, and federal funds. Local taxes are collected and go into two different funds: Maintenance and Operations, or M&O, and Interest and Sinking, or I&S. The M&O fund pays for the everyday operations of the district, including salaries and building maintenance. The I&S fund is similar to a mortgage and pays for new facilities for our district, which is growing by over 500 students per year. The state of Texas funds school districts based on a series of formulas that take into account our local tax rate. Specifically, the higher the local M&O tax rate, the more funding we receive from the state of Texas. Therefore, each additional dollar generated by the local tax rate on the M&O side yields more funding from the state than a dollar generated on the I&S side. Our current tax rate is $1.04 for the M&O side and 50 cents for the I&S side, for a total tax rate of $1.54 for every $100 that your property is worth. That means that for a house valued at $100,000, the school taxes would be $1,540 per year. If a school district wants to raise their maintenance and operations tax rate over $1.04, the state of Texas requires voter approval. By law, the maximum tax rate on the M&O side is $1.17. That's where the TRE comes in. The Eagle Mountain-Saginaw ISD has called a tax ratification election to ask the community to consider a change in how we collect taxes in our M&O and I&S funds to maximize our state funding. The proposed change would bring the district an additional $650,000 from the state of Texas without increasing taxes for the next school year. How is this possible? As mentioned, the state has a cap on how high the M&O rate can be, which is $1.17. We propose to raise the M&O rate to $1.17 and lower the I&S tax rate to 37 cents. Even with this change, the total tax rate would still be $1.54, the same as the current tax rate. This shift will not cost taxpayers any additional dollars. However, it will generate an additional $650,000 of revenue from the state. This is money that we would not receive from the state without the change in tax rates. Since 2010, Eagle Mountain-Saginaw ISD has had to cut its budget by $16 million due to reductions in state funding. The district has been forced to make many reductions and cuts in order to balance the budget. The tax ratification election is a tool that allows the district to maximize the amount of money we receive from the state. Looking to the future, a 5-year financial plan has been created to guide the district through 2018 that maintains the same tax rate of $1.54. Based upon this plan, in the upcoming school year, there will be no increase in taxes whether the tax ratification election passes or fails. If the TRE passes, the school district will receive an additional $650,000 yearly, and the tax rate will remain $1.54 for the upcoming year. If the TRE does not pass, the tax rate will be $1.54 for the next school year, but the district will receive no additional funding and will need to seek alternate methods by which to balance the budget. The district and Board of Trustees has called the tax ratification election, but the voters must decide the outcome of the election. Election Day is on Saturday, September 7th in the Business Office Training Room, located at the Central Administration Building. Early voting begins on Wednesday, August 21st. During early voting, mobile voting sites will be located at all 3 of our high schools, as well as the Business Office Training Room. Thank you for your commitment to our mission to foster a culture of excellence that instills a passion for a lifetime of continuous achievement in every student.